I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Stripe checkout is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by logging into your Stripe account at dashboard.stripe.com. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the settings section found in the bottom left corner. From there, click on payment methods to manage your accepted payment options. Step 3. Add new payment method. In the payment methods section, look for the add payment method button. Click on it and select credit card from the options presented. Step 4. Enter credit card details. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVC. Double check for typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors during transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering all the information, click on the Save button to finalize adding your credit card. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adding a credit card to your Stripe checkout. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy processing!